And as you can see today, we are going to be talking about mitigations. Okay, I'm not going to talk about mitigation blocks, mitigation like breaker blocks or some stuff like that. No, I'm just going to talk about the term mitigation. Okay, first of all, I know a lot of people may be confused about it. Like it will be a quick ass video, so just so I can explain it. Like, let's just go straight into it. What does the mitigation mean? It's basically the action of reducing the severity, okay, the seriousness or painfulness of something, or just a reduction, the same thing. But in this case, in forex, what do we mean by like mitigation? I'm just gonna this is the US dollar currency index, but I'm just gonna do this. All right, I'm just gonna draw something. But before we get any further, I have a free Discord in my description. Go ahead, join it. Okay, just free Discord, free community which you can join. Also, I have educational content. Second link in the description. So go ahead, check it out too. Of course, free YouTube playlist. So let's get straight into it. So you know how we're in an uptrend, all right? So before we actually like, if you want to continue this uptrend, I'm just gonna do this. You know how we left zones of demand areas. For example, here we left a beautiful demand area, all right? And I'm gonna also just show you on the chart. Or a supply area, it does not make a difference. So here, why a lot? How are you gonna hear a lot of people say we are waiting for mitigations? So what does that mean? Basically, for this movement to occur in the market, right? The complement or basically the institutions, the banks, you can call it whatever you want, the smart money, they're investing a lot of money in here. Okay, so they're opening their orders. They invest what, millions of dollars or some stuff like that, right? They're investing their money and they're bringing the price up. Now, when they maybe just like took out some sellers, okay, after they have like profited their position, what they want to do is bring their the price action, or they're gonna sell right from here on in this order, all right? Because this is where the most amount of orders that they basically open is. So what they're going to do, they're going to break even on that, and they're going to be profitable of the stop losses that they basically just liquidate, all right? And what does that mean when we say mitigation? Basically a test, okay? I just really want to explain it right there, but basically mitigation means that they're reducing their basically their position. They're just like getting out of their orders. What the like most of the times you're gonna see a lot of people, this is not it, but they're gonna have the 50%. Okay, what the company, like what the complement of institution, the smart money want to do is most of the times they're gonna get right around at the 50% of the order book. What you can clearly do, you really need to wait for a confirmation. You have the confirmation, you can just go like, you can split the risk and just you have these types of entries, but it is always up to you. All right, let's just go to the chart. I think that it makes sense. If it does not, try and explain it like better. But let's just go ahead, like delete this and just show you in the live chart. So for example, here we are. Okay, let's talk about this thing right here. I'm just going to use the replay. This is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, you can see how we left this order block or just supply area POY, the same thing. We left this out. What we're gonna do, a lot of people are gonna use this, but I like to use just the top of this wick. And okay, this is, we're left with beautiful supply area. As you can see, it pushed to now, so we had a like imbalances and all that. And as you see, we're waiting. What happened? We mitigated the supply area. Basically, the big money, the smart money, the institutions, the complement. Okay, they bring the price back in where they previously sold. From here on, some people are going to get straight from the open. Again, some people from the 50%, some are waiting for a confirmation in the lower time frame. Basically the same thing. And if you really want to like split your risk, just go ahead and find a still supply area on the lower time frame. But basically, I just really want to say that. What does the mitigation mean? Basically, test in a zone. As you see, after we tested that, as you see, we went even deeper. Right here, took this liquidity out, and we went just straight back down. As I said, some people are using this as their entry. Some people are using the 50%, which is going to be around there. And what do we like to do? We just like to target the. For example, this is the 1 to 2, which is not great at all. Okay, as I said, the risk is not great. But for example, this second scenario, we have a greater risk. I mean, it's still not the best. Still, is like 1 to 4. But yeah, like if you know what I mean. Both of these trades were correct. Mitigation basically means a test of a supply and demand area, and basically the reduction of their positions, or just they're just closing their positions. I hope it makes sense. So let me know what are your thoughts about this. Have a great day for the rest of your day. Again, I have a community on Discord and all that. Go ahead, check it out, free as always. And in the description, secondly in the description, there's more free educational content like this. So have a great day for the rest of your day, and bye.